The following video is a Kia CNC turning center. It's a model 4NEII-600, serial number NE331. It's new 1994. This is video 2, showing the soft limit switches reset and the ball screw fixed.
How you doing? Alright. Both axes in zero return right now.
Zero return.
And I start with the Z. I go with the Z in hand wheel plus. Soft limit.
Just hit the limit.
In plus Z. And then I go Z. Then we go Z. Soft minus.
Z soft minus limit switch hit.
It's actually not limit switch, it's parameters.
Oh, in the parameters, right?
Yeah. Alright, the x-axis is in zero return, so I'm gonna go continue plus on the x. X soft limit on the plus. And then I'm gonna go X soft limit on the minus. Here is the minus soft limit. It's all been done correctly by parameters, X and Z plus limit, minus limit, X and Z axis. And machine is good. X. Zero return.
Zero return.
Z zero return. Again, if you go past the Z, I'll have a plus soft limit, and same thing with the X. If you pass it, you're gonna have the X soft limit. So
Z minus soft limit.
then I go with the X. Minus again. Soft limit.
And you're back in zero. On your X and your Z.
We had to have the door closed.
Probably.
Just want to show the back of the machine. We still have the cover off. Everything's put back together. And the cover will go back on. Again, the following video was a Kia CNC turning center. It's a model 4NEII-600, serial number NE331. It's new 1994.